winter, I done so much videos I couldn't get it started at all. Look at it. But my carburetor got to be adjusted. The throttle's all the way down. The throttle's all the way down. I remember the spring broke off of the car. I can't open it. Let me see if I can back it up a little bit. That's as far back as it'll go. I gotta loosen this up. This gear shifter is too ginger. Right? The governor broke off. See the governor? The governor broke off. So you see, with that connected, it wouldn't run. Let's see if I get it going again now. That is running without the governor connected. I wouldn't recommend it, but right now I have no throttle control. So the governor, I venture to say, is wide open on it right now. But I could not get that going this morning. But I was trying, this winter, connect the governor, and I couldn't get it going. So that thing is still running strong. I might take it to Tyler. I'm going to tag Tyler in this, because Tyler's an expert at these.